So for this video, we're going to look at how to fix the Wi-Fi settings on the Xumo Spectrum Box. A couple ways it'll present itself. One is this blank screen when you go to open Spectrum app. And the other is this Wi-Fi icon with a line through it, meaning it can't connect. So for all the steps we're going to go over in the video, they all kind of start in the same spot. If you go to Settings by clicking the gear on your remote control and then go to the Network pane. And go ahead and click into that. And under the advanced settings, just make sure the Wi-Fi is turned on, because if we're relying on Wi-Fi and it's turned off, that could be the first easiest thing to fix. So click the Wi-Fi using password box and it'll say let's get connected. And from here you'll get a list of local networks. Select yours from the list and then you'll get the password prompt where you can enter in your password. You can do capital, lowercase letters, whatever you need, and then it'll try to connect. Now in my case, the first time I tried to connect, I got this failure message, which was pretty frustrating because I thought I did everything I was supposed to do. So back on the network configuration page, you can see the same error and it says there's nothing connected. If you scroll to the right, go ahead and click the reset button. And once you have selected reset, you'll see on the right there's a cancel and confirm button. Go ahead and click confirm, and then once you do that, you'll see everything is blanked out. So effectively we're starting from scratch without having to reset the whole device back to factory settings. We're just kind of clearing out the network configuration. So now we're starting from a clean slate. We'll go ahead and select our network name again from the list, and then we'll get the password prompt and we can fill in the password for our Wi-Fi router that we just selected and click continue to configure that. So I'm getting the blank screen, which indicates to me Spectrum is still not loading, therefore the Wi-Fi is still not working. So I'm looking in the system settings to see if there's a way to reboot the box. And short of that, I'm just going to unplug it, leave it unplugged for 10 seconds and replug it back in, because I could not find a way to do it through the menu just to reboot the box. By the way, if this is helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up or hit the bell button to be notified when new ones come out. So when the Xumo box reboots, you can see the Spectrum app, open that up again, and already we're getting further than I have all day. And there it goes, there's content. I actually got content playing. So that seems to have fixed the Wi-Fi issue. Reconfiguring it and rebooting it seemed to be exactly what I needed to do.